dedicated to quality, beauty, and personal service to our community. Let Lehua Jewelers handcraft your next custom piece of Hawaiian yearling jewelry. Visit us in Kaho'ula or online at
lehuajewelers.com.
It was spectacular, so beautiful.
This experience for me is